Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up an out-of-office reply in Gmail so people know you're away and when to expect a response. This is super useful for vacations, sick days, or any time you can't reply to emails right away. First, open Gmail on your computer and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Now look at the top right corner and click on the settings icon, the small gear symbol. From the menu, click on See All Settings to open the full Gmail settings page. You will land on the General tab, and that's exactly where you need to be. Scroll down slowly until you find Out of Office Auto Reply, then choose the first day you will be away. If you already know when you will be back, select the last day as well, but if you leave the last day empty, Gmail will keep sending the reply until you turn it off manually. Now type a clear subject line, something simple like out of office or away from email. In the message box, write a short and polite message explaining that you're unavailable. You can also mention when you will be back or who to contact in case of something urgent. If you only want people in your contacts to receive this reply, check the box below and leave it unchecked if you want everyone who emails you to get the automatic response. Once everything looks good, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to activate the out-of-office reply. From now on, anyone who emails you during this period will get your automatic response. Gmail sends this reply once per person every few days, not on every single email. When you're back, Gmail will automatically turn the responder off on the end date you selected, or you can disable it manually by going back to the same settings section, turning the vacation responder off, and saving changes again. That's it. Your out-of-office reply is now set up and running, which helps manage expectations and keeps your inbox stress-free. Set it up before your next break and enjoy your time away without worrying about email. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.